Today, we're adding something really fun and interactive. We're going to make our cube jump when we press the spacebar. This simple feature shows how easy it is to add animation and interactivity to your games with Ursina. We created a cube in the middle of the scene and gave it a bright orange color so it really stands out. The cube is positioned at the origin, right in the center, which makes it easy to see and interact with. If we run the code now, we'll just see the cube sitting there, still and waiting for some action. Now comes the exciting part, making the cube respond to our input. We use an input function that detects when we press keys. Specifically, we check for the space bar. When we press space, the cube animates upward along the y-axis, moving up smoothly to create a jumping effect. But that's not all. After a short delay, we make the cube return to its original position, so it looks like a proper jump. Ursina makes this animation super simple with just a few lines of code. Let's run it and see it in action. Check this out. Every time we press the spacebar, the cube jumps up and comes back down smoothly. It's a small addition, but it makes the scene much more lively and interactive. In the next video, we'll continue building on this and explore more ways to bring our world to life.